So I would like to ask you a few
Mm.
things,
Yeah,
like how was your experience with UniNets?
UniNets is very good. Like, uh, Alok sir taught me very good. He taught me
Mhm,
FX, VXLAN,
mhm,
VDC, VPC. I didn't know what was a line. I didn't even know what was a line card at the time
mhm,
when I first
mhm.
went to Nexus. So Alok sir
Okay.
told me everything. So he gave me the thing, then I paid, and I also did the UniNets. I also worked. I also did FI load balancer course from UniNets.
Yes. I guess you did a lot of courses from UniNets.
UniNets, yeah. Yeah. I did the
Yeah.
FI load balancers. I did all that stuff. Okay.
Mhm. And what is your experience about the labs? I mean, rack.
The rack is good. I mean, Rash 13 nets I was able to, access your F5 GUI
Mhm,
to the
mhm.
rack.